Hola a todos, welcome back to Spanish Prodigy. Today we have an exciting lesson planned that will help you start thinking in Spanish. We will be describing a beautiful picture and identifying nouns in it. Nouns are essential building blocks for any language. So let's get started. Here is the picture we will be describing today. As I describe the elements in the picture, pay attention to the nouns, which are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. En la imagen, podemos ver una casa means in this picture, we can see a house. Casa is the Spanish word for house. Can you say casa? Casa means house. Next we have a hen. In Spanish, hen is gallina. Gallina. Repeat after me. Gallina. You can also see some grass in this picture. Grass is called hierba in Spanish. Hierba. Try saying hierba. Moving on, we have a horse. The Spanish word for horse is caballo. Caballo. Say it with me. Caballo. There is also a cow in the picture. Cow is vaca in Spanish. Vaca. Repeat. Vaca. You will notice the bright sun in the sky. In Spanish, sun is sol. Let's say it together. Sol. We can see sheep too. The Spanish word for sheep is oveja. Oveja. Try saying oveja. Among the grass, we have some flowers in this picture. Flowers are flores in Spanish. Say it after me. Flores. There is a water stream in this picture as well. Water stream is arroyo in Spanish. Arroyo in Spanish. Repeat. Arroyo. Now let's look at the birds flying in the sky. Birds are pájaros in Spanish. Pájaros. Can you say pájaros? Pájaros. We can't forget the trees, right? Trees is árboles in Spanish. A tree is árbol. The plural form of tree is árboles in Spanish. Say it with me. Árbol. Árbol is a tree in Spanish. Árbol. Finally, the sky above is cielo. Cielo. Sky is cielo in Spanish. Let's say cielo. Cielo. Muy bien. Great job, everyone. You have successfully identified the nouns in this picture. Nouns are important because they help us communicate about the world around us. By thinking about these objects in Spanish, you are taking a big step towards thinking in the language you wanted to learn. Now, I want you to look around your own environment and try to name the objects in Spanish. Start thinking in the language by incorporating these new words into your daily thoughts. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed describing the picture with me. Remember, practicing regularly is the key to becoming more comfortable with Spanish. Hasta la próxima. See you next time.